Yes, good day, my people. Today we want to talk about how to transfer your fund from probably your Bybit to another exchange, from one platform to another platform. Now, what do I mean? You have some USDT on a particular platform and you want to send that same money to another platform. For example, now I need to buy some loop coin or token and it is not available on Bybit. I need to go to Mexc to go and buy it. How do I get the money from Bybit to Mexc in order to be able to buy my loop network? So in this account, I have just 8.85 USDT in this account. And for those of you who have a lot of USDT that you are holding, don't forget that most platform, UK, Euro platform, they are delisting USDT. So all you just have to do to stay safe is to convert your USDT to USDC, or probably move the USDT from any of the platform, maybe Kraken, Bybit, just move it to a platform that is not UK based or Euro based like Mexc. So what I'm doing now is that I want to move this money from my Bybit to my Mexc in order for me to buy my loop network. So the first thing I need to do is to go to my Mexc. This is Bybit. I will go and open my Mexc, then generate my USDT wallet address. It is that USDT wallet address that I will use on Bybit to send fund. So let me quickly go to my Mexc account. So on Mexc, immediately you log into your Mexc. Okay. Immediately you log into your Mexc, you'll be seeing something like this. All you just have to do is to go to your wallet. Then from your wallet, you will click on deposit because we want to receive fund here. So you click on deposit. So when you click on deposit, you choose this first option that says deposit crypto. So let's choose it, deposit crypto. Now, when you get here, it will ask you which crypto do you want to deposit. We are depositing USDT. So you choose USDT. So when you get to USDT, it will be asking you to choose your preferred network. There are different networks. There is BSC, Binance Smart Chain. There is Arbitrum. There is Solana. There is Polygon. There are a lot of them. You understand? But we are talking about the TRC20, which is Trons or TRC20. So just click on it. That is the network we're sending from. Now, this is the wallet address I need to send that money you saw earlier to. So what I just need to do is to copy. You can click here to copy the wallet address. Click to copy the wallet address. Now, after you have copied the wallet address, just go back to your Bybit. Now, when you get to your Bybit, all you have to do is to come to your assets. Don't forget, asset is usually on the bottom right hand side of your screen. Click on assets. So when you click on assets, then you click on withdraw. You're actually withdrawing from this platform and depositing on the other platform. That is what you are doing. And you really need to get that concept right. You are withdrawing from Bybit in order to deposit on Mexc. So you click on withdraw. So when you click on withdraw, it's going to ask you which type of coin or crypto are you trying to withdraw. Here in this box, you will type what you want to withdraw. We want to withdraw USDT, so you type it there. It's going to give you options. Okay. Let's go to USDT. Okay, I think the first thing I need to do is to transfer my USDT from Unified Trading back to my funding wallet. Okay, let me go and do that. From Unify to funding. So here I will choose USDT, which is the first option. So click on it. It's the first option there. You choose maximum in order to transfer. This is internal transfer within Bybit. I'm just moving the fund from my Unified Trading account to my funding account before I will now go and place or continue with the withdrawal I was trying to do. So I'll click on confirm. That is going to be very fast. That is done. You can see the money now is under funding and no longer under Unified Trading. So what I will now need to do is to click on withdraw. I'll click on withdraw. So when you get to withdraw, you click this, you put your USDT here so that it will bring you to this place. Don't forget, we already copied the wallet address from Mexc. So you place out your wallet address here and choose the network. The network is very, very important. The network is TRC20, and they have told you they'll be charging you $1.6 for that transfer, which means from this $8.7 I'll be transferring, probably I'll be losing 1.6 for sending the money from Bybit to Mexc. So what I just have to do here is to click on maximum. I'll click on maximum so that it will send all my money. Now the maximum I'll be sending to Mexc is, I'm sending the whole 8.7. I'm sending the whole 8.7. But when I send this 8.7, what I'll be receiving from the other end is going to be 7.1 because of the transfer of the withdrawal charges that will be deducted. So I need you to get that in your mind. So I'll click on withdraw. Now, another thing you need to observe is that because I already have this wallet address saved on my Bybit as one of my trusted or verified accounts, it won't be asking me to do verification. Now, during verification, what will you be asked to do? They will send the code to your email, ask you to bring the code to Bybit. They will send you a code on your phone number. They will ask you to bring it here. If you have two-factor authenticator set, which is Google Authenticator set up, you will be generating a code from there too to bring here in order to verify the wallet address. But because I've already done all that and saved this wallet address as a verified address, it won't be asking me for that. All I just have to do is to click on confirm. So once I click on confirm, it will tell you withdrawal application submitted. Withdrawal application submitted. So all I just have to click on is OK. I'll just click on OK. And if you go back to your distance, you will discover that the wallet is showing 0 now, 0.08, which means the money has been sent. But don't forget, in crypto, you will need to wait for blockchain confirmations before the money will reflect on your Mexc account. Probably 3, some 7, some more than that. So this money will be going through what we call blockchain confirmations for the money to drop on my Mexc account. But so far so good, we've been able to initiate a transfer process or a withdrawal process from my Bybit account for the money to go to my Mexc. So all we just have to do is go to Mexc and go and wait for that money on the Mexc account. Just go and wait for the money. Just go and wait for the money on the Mexc account. Just go and wait for the money on the Mexc account. So we are waiting for that money to arrive. Okay. We are waiting for the money to arrive. The money is not much. So we'll have to click on our spot to see if the money has arrived. The money is going to be under USDT. You will see USDT showing up here when the money arrives. The money will show up here when the money arrives. Then the second thing I want to do, I think, okay, it has not. Let's keep refreshing. You can just wait for like 2 to 3 minutes for the money to arrive. Then probably there may be a notification to that effect showing Okay, your money has arrived. Now that is one thing. The second thing I want to do is that I want to sell some of this my other coin that I have here in order to be able to take more position on the Loop network. I'll be selling Metav, I'll be selling GME, I'll be selling Bendog, and I'll be selling Emerald. The only one I won't be selling is Liarium and probably Sui. I won't be selling Liarium, I won't be selling Sui. But the other ones, I'm going to be selling them in order to come and buy more of Loop network. You understand? I will be selling those ones in order to come to Loop network. Now I'm starting with GME. So for me to sell my GME, I have to come and click on this Loop network you are seeing here. Don't forget, this is Mexc, not Bybit. Now on Mexc, I will have to change the coin from here to GME. I'll click on it. Now this is GME. Then I'll change from buy to sell. I'll click on sell. Then I'm going to drag this button from here. I'm going to drag it up to the last edge here for me to sell everything I have there. So I'm selling $20 worth of GME. So I'll just click on, okay, another thing, before you click on sell, come and change this limit. This limit here, change it to market price. Change it to market. Drag this one, as I said earlier, and click on sell. Now, automatically, the transaction is completed. It has been sold like that. If you go to your wallet, you will see, we should see USDT now in my wallet. Now, this is USDT showing 27, which means the GME I sold and the $7 I sent from Bybit. Don't forget, we have other tokens, other coins too to sell, which is Emerald. That is Emerald, EMR. Okay, Emerald. So you click on that one too. Anyway, we are on sell. Click on market price, drag this to the edge, and also click on sell. It's going to sell everything for you. Then, apart from that, okay, let's refresh this please so that we will know the coins that are gone. And okay, we have Bendog and Metav remaining. So let's go and sell Bendog. It's not that I don't believe in those projects. I do believe in them, but I just want to take more position. I just feel like I should take more position on the Loop network. Now for Bendog, we are still using the market order. You can see this place is still market. All I just have to do is to drag this and sell. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm dragging this to the edge and I'm selling. Submitted successfully. Now the last one I'll be working on is Metav. Second one. Metav, I'm doing the same thing. I'm dragging to the edge. I'm selling everything. Submitted successfully. Now, if you go to your wallet, if you go to my wallet, you will discover that I've been able to sell all those coins I mentioned earlier. I've been able to sell them, and probably now I have $94 on my USDT. But I discovered that Loop is still going down like mad. Loop is still very much going down like mad. And I'm now contemplating, should I? Okay. The market is almost at that place where I should take position. Very good. I think it would be good if I buy from here as it is. So all I just have to do is to click on buy. I'll click on buy. I'm buying at the market price. I'm not waiting for anything. If you have any particular price in mind, that is when you can now come here and set what we call buy limit price. You will just click here and change this to limit. You will set the price at which you want the coin to be bought. Then you will put the the USDT you want to use. If I want to use all the money, all I just have to do is to drag this one down to the edge. But if I want to use part of the money, I will just specify here or drag to half or quarter before I will now say buy. But don't forget, this button is still on sale. We have to change it to buy. We have to change it to buy. Don't forget, I will change this one back to market, and I'm using all my $24 to buy loop at the current market price. At the current market price. I've clicked on buy and it has been submitted. Which means if I go now to my wallet, I should be able to see the value of my loop going up. Before now, I had 13,500 loop, but now what I have is 15,990 loop. You understand? Then all what I just have to do is to wait for loop to go ballistic, and then when we cash out. I still believe so much in Liarium. I still believe so much in Sui, and that is why I'm not touching any of those. I want to believe in this video you've been able to learn how to transfer USDT from one platform to another. A quick recap on that: generate your wallet address from the platform you want to put the money, and go to the platform where you want to send the money from or withdraw the money from. Put your wallet address there, initiate a withdrawal process, and do your wallet verification. Submit your withdrawal and let the blockchain do the withdrawal confirmation. After about 1 to 2 minutes, your money will be sent to the other platform where you want the money to go or to be sent. Then from that platform, from Mexc platform, I have also shown you how to sell in case you want to sell. I started with selling those projects I wanted to get my money from, and now I also show you how to buy into the project that you believe in. I have used the money I generated from those Bendog, Metav, those projects I sold, and I've used the money to buy Loop Network. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on our videos. And always check on this channel, as I'll be bringing you more ways or more ideas on how to make money on the internet. Thank you, and God bless you.